It's the one thing I like about Florida, y'all. All these little rivers and creeks they got, all full of trails. We found this by mistake. Baby thought that the trail ended. I'm gonna show y'all this bird and I want y'all to let me know where it is in the picture to see if you can see it. Where's the bird in this picture? It's crazy how nature camouflages shit like that. Ready for the answer? You're right in the center. And it's crazy how it's wildlife. You can see all the evidence of him hunting. All these is mussel shells. Boy been eating good. I'm trying to see.